whole kit and caboodle!
It's the Scrapping Weekend Home Edition. With special guest Andrea Deere Meyer and Nicholas G. Gauss.
Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
Hi, Scrappers. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Nick.
And we're with your favorite kit company, the whole kit and caboodle.
We have a fantastic 15 minutes for you today.
Will it be a little different than being live in person? Sure.
But will it make you laugh?
A huge shout out to all of our friends at the Great American Scrapbooking Convention that was supposed to be in Arlington, Texas this weekend.
And another huge shout out to our friends at Scrappers RX who are participating in a virtual scrapbooking retreat.
You know, things are a little different right now. We're living in some crazy times.
Breaking news tonight, the coronavirus forcing millions more Americans into virtual lockdown. Over 75 million people in New York, California, Illinois, and Connecticut.
Zones. The coronavirus spreading in Italy. Hundreds of cases in South Korea. New cases reported.
The CDC warned Americans. It's not a matter of if.
Given the current state of things, you're searching for answers on this global pandemic.
I think that's awesome.
You're curious. That's good. I'm curious too.
If no one ever asks questions, Jeopardy will be a very strange show.
If you're curious how to scrap this global pandemic, we have you covered.
And we have 5 kits for that.
The tight friendships.
We've gone above and beyond to reach out to our besties.
Well, I'm off. If you need something to keep you occupied tonight, Rose, why don't you take out a good book and see if you can find Waldo?
I've never liked her.
So to all the Dorothys and the Roses of the world, be sure to scrap those you love. Nick, thank you for being a friend.
Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. You know what you could do for them right now? You could send them some mail.
Welcome.
You got mail.
Getting mail, it's like getting that first roll of toilet paper out of the brand new pack.
Yes! 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 Oh! 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 Oh, God. Oh.
I'll have what she's having.
And you could have what she's having.
What is she having?
These kits, of course.
It has been such a crazy year.
The coronavirus,
The locust swarms in East Africa.
the massive Sahara dust cloud.
You just never know what could happen next.
You could wake up tomorrow morning and this could be in your backyard. You know, the T-Rex population, they're struggling right now.
They are?
Yeah, they can't wash their hands in the sink.
But on the plus side, they can't touch their face.
Another plus side, these kids. All joking aside, it's really important right now to safe distance and wear a mask.
Yes, definitely wear a mask.
We have some friends who are professional mask wearers.
And he is most displeased with your apparent lack of progress.
We shall double our efforts.
I hope so, Commander, for your sake.
Now, Darth has been protected from COVID since 1977.
And my friend Vader, I think he would approve of this as well. But just so you know, I have another friend who may be the pinnacle mask wearer.
So the next time you're at Camp Crystal Lake, be more like our friend Jason.
Always wear a mask and only get closer than 6 feet when it's a matter of life and death. Speaking of life or death, better or worse,
Any of you married? Planning on attending a wedding?
maybe you attended this wedding in 1987?
Marriage. Marriage is what brings us together today.
Marriage is what brought this next clip together.
It is a blessing for sure. You know what they say.
First comes love.
Then comes marriage.
Help! 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 Oh no! Put me back in! Put me back in, please, buddy. Let go of my head and put me back inside.
You know, after all, we only give birth to children so that we can scrapbook them. Talk of COVID, of marriage, and babies.
When all of this is over, what are you going to do?
I'm going to Disney World. We're going to Disney World.
And when you go to Disney, we have an entire kit club to help you scrap those pictures.
You heard that right. We have an exclusive 12-month 12 by 12 page Disney Kit Club. What it entails is a 2-page spread per month, plus a cover page of your album and a back page of your album. So total for the entire year, that's 26 Disney themed pages, all exclusive to the whole kit and caboodle. The best news, we still have memberships available for this year. So if you join this weekend at our special introductory rate, you will receive the January through December exclusive designs. And we don't auto-renew, so you can decide in December if you would like to rejoin next year. What could be even better than a trip to Disney?
We are hiding 10 golden tickets in this weekend's kit orders.
10 of these tickets will be hidden inside 10 different 12 by 12 page kits this weekend. Be sure to check out our website for the details of this scrumdiddlyumptious giveaway.
And if golden tickets and brand new kits weren't enough,
we're also offering this weekend 10% off the entire website.
On cardstock?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
On card kits and page kits?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
On kit club membership?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
For the 10% discount, be sure to use the code VIRTUALWEEKEND.
In addition to 10%, every order over $30 after the discount is applied will receive a brand new collection. We are offering you the My Mind's Eye dot collection, one of every color. That's 30 sheet of embossed paper, a value of $30, and it's free to you with your $30 order this weekend.
Be sure to take advantage of our My Colors dot giveaway.
And the 10% discount with coupon code VIRTUALWEEKEND.
And 9 brand new page kits.
Note that some of these designs are pre-order. Pre-order designs will only be available on our website this weekend. Pre-order designs will ship in September.
Thanks for joining us.
And as always, happy scrapping.
When I said I would never leave you.
And you never will. He's looking at you, kid.